Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink, and today I'm going to talk about Through the Mists of Time by ACDC. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button to get a message when a new video is uploaded or a live stream is taking place. So this is the song here. I made a backing track, learned it now. And so on. So this is the very first part, and when you can play these parts, you just check out the rest of the song and just fill in. But more or less, these are the parts which are in this song. They're really cool, a little bit out of the line, I must say, but I really like it. So let's get started with this one. Before we get started, sound settings. I've chosen a British amp here with a medium spring reverb and the Marshall 4x12 cabinet to make the sound, and not so much distortion to make it near to the original, if I really know what these guys were doing in the studio. But this, I have a feeling, is about this which is happening. So let's get started now. The little unusual thing is that's in A major. So that's why it sounds a little bit sweeter than normal, but it's cool. So this is the first fix, this. So we have here hammer on the second, on the G string second to 4, then bar here 2-2, and then 3-4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so we start on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 1, 2, and 3, 4. So the figure of the chords is 1 and 2, and so 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3. See, that's what's happening. We have 3, 4 here. See, it's really simple. And this is the rhythm pattern which keeps on going through the entire song. We have this first opening phrase on 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have this figure 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3. Then on 4 again, 1, 2, and 3, 4. And then there's a second phrase, either 1, 1, 2, and 3, 4 like this, or 1 and 2 and 3. But the changement is always on 1 and 2 and, but in between sometimes the 8s are played. That's the main thing which goes through the entire song. So we're starting here with see, this is repeated a few times, I think 4 times. At the beginning, probably 8 times, I don't really remember. You just listen to the original song and fill in the parts which you learn here. Then comes, and this part I'm not pretty sure where exactly it's played. There's 3 different possibilities to play them. One is the one down here. That's the one which I tapped out. 3, 0, and then we go to D. Here, 2nd fret, 2nd, 3rd fret and B string with a ring finger. And then we have D. We have 3 and then 0. And then we have D sus, you just put in the pinky here. That's one possibility how to play it. So probably that's the one which is played, but it also can be played like this. 3, 5, instead of the open string, you make 3, 5. Again on 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do either the one or the other. Or what I would do, but that's probably not how it's played because it sounds pretty much as it's played down here. It's just to repeat the same figure below. You just move the figure up here in the 7th fret and play the same thing up here. That's what I would do to make things really simple. But as I said, when you listen to the recording, it doesn't sound as it's played here. It sounds like it's played here. Good. Then goes back to A. And then comes the figure on E. We have it on the D string, 2, 4. And then we have 4, 2. See? Then goes the D. And then comes the refrain. The refrain is really simple. So A5, here, open A string, 2nd fret, 2nd fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, then to F sharp 5, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 4th fret with the ring finger, to E5. And as far as I mean, there are 2 guitars on the recording. I just worked out the rhythm guitar, not the other guitar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then to E5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 bars. Then A5. And then jumps to D. Twice, and then goes back to A, and then the whole thing is done. I'm gonna play it with a backing track now. And then the whole thing starts from the beginning. 2 times, and then comes the solo. Yeah guys, that was a rhythm guitar of Through the Mists of Time by ACDC. As I said, these are the parts. You have to listen to the whole song and see where to fit in those parts, but it's always like little stones. You'd put one there, and then you just in songs is often the same stones which are just put away in different ways. So listen to the song clearly to see exactly, but the very first part is like this. If you want to do soloing, I'm gonna just do soloing at the end a little bit freely, not the original solo. I would not dare to do that. But if you want to try, that would be in this case the A major pentatonics, because the song is in A major. Yeah. If you want to download the tabs and the backing track for this, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Join there, make the premium membership upgrade. It's really worth to build become a part of the little guitar community we are there. It's really cool there. Follow me on Telegram, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Spotify, and follow me on Google. Well, that's more or less what I want to say. Now I'm going to play a little soloing with the A major pentatonics to say bye to you guys.